Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start with admin rights because these changes require system control. If you lack them, stop and get access now. Once ready, disconnect network to prevent immediate updates, then press Windows plus R, type services. MSC, and hit Enter. Scroll to Windows Update WiiWaServe and double-click it. Set the startup type to disabled and click Stop. You're preventing the service from running at boot. This is the foundational block that actually stops automatic downloads and why we do this first. Once done with services, you must disable supporting components so updates can't be revived. Open Services again, find Background Intelligent Transfer Service and Update Orchestrator, set both to disabled. Next, locate Windows Update Medic Service and use an elevated PowerShell to alter its recovery options. This prevents auto restart. Then navigate to C/Windows, rename software distribution and catroot 2, or change their folder permissions to deny system right. You finish by making changes persistent. Open gpedit, MSC, or edit HKLM/software for home, and enable policies that disable automatic updates and Windows Update access. Reboot the machine. Stay offline until you verify services shows WiiWaServe disabled and no update activity occurs. If updates resume, make sure scheduled tasks tied to Update Orchestrator are disabled and check that software distribution permissions weren't restored. As a single troubleshooting tip, if Windows reset settings, restore your backup and reapply policies right away to lock them down.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.